A very good morning to all of you. This is our GK class. Take out your GK book. Chapter number 16, page number 19. Chapter number 16, page number 19. In this chapter, we are going to study about National Park. We are studying about National Park. Going to a National Park. National Park में जाना, right? A national park is an area of land that is protected by the government for the purpose of preserving the natural environment. What does that mean? Natural park क्या होता है? एक ऐसा एरिया होता है लैंड का, मीन्स जमीन का एक ऐसा एरिया होता है that is protected. What is the meaning of protected? Means सुरक्षित करना, right? किसके द्वारा? By the government. गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा सुरक्षित किया जाता है for the purpose. Purpose means किसी कारण से, right? For the reason. Purpose of preserving the natural environment means natural environment को बचा के रखने के पर्पस से बनाए जाते हैं. Okay? Match these natural parks of India to the states they are located in. हमें कुछ here they are giving some national parks and the state names. Okay, we have to match them with their location. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ नेशनल पार्क के नाम दिए हुए हैं और कुछ स्टेट्स के नाम दिए हुए हैं. हमें उन्हें आपस में मैच करना है उनकी लोकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग कि कौन सा नेशनल पार्क कौन से स्टेट में है, राइट? नाउ नंबर 1 इज काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द पार्क? काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. ओके, and it's located in Assam. Its answer is F, Assam. Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam. Okay. Now the second is Corbett National Park. The second is Corbett National Park. It is located in Uttarakhand. Its answer is A, Uttarakhand. Now the third is Kanha National Park. It is located in Madhya Pradesh. It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Now the fourth is Periyar National Park. Periyar National Park. It is located in C, Kerala. Its answer is C, Kerala. Now the fifth is Ranthambore National Park. Everyone knows that, right? National Park, Ranthambore National Park, where it is located? In Rajasthan, right? In Rajasthan. Its answer is E, Rajasthan. Okay. Now, next is Gir National Park. Gir National Park, it is located in Gujarat. It is located in Gujarat. The answer is B, Gujarat. Now the next is Rachigam National Park. Rachigam National Park. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. The answer is H. Jammu and Kashmir. Now the last one is the Sundarbans. The Sundarbans. It is located in West Bengal. Its answer is G, West Bengal. Now, look at the page down. Here it is, know with direct. The Kibul Lamzo National Park. The Kibul Lamzo National Park on the Loktak Lake in Manipur is believed to be the only floating national park in the world. What is the meaning of floating? Kibul Lamzo National Park, it is where it is situated in Manipur, Loktak Lake. लेक के ऊपर बना हुआ है ये, और ये फ्लोटिंग करता है, नेशनल पार्क है संसार का जो फ्लोटिंग करता है. ओके, नाउ वन मोर टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू रिवाइज इट. Kaziranga National Park is situated in Assam. Corbett National Park is situated in Uttarakhand. Now the third is Kanha National Park is situated in D, Madhya Pradesh. Now the next, Periyar National Park is situated in Kerala. C, Kerala. Next is Ranthambore National Park is situated in E, Rajasthan. Now the sixth is Gir National Park is situated in Gujarat. Now the next is Rachigam National Park. Rachigam National Park is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Its answer is H, Jammu and Kashmir. Now the last is the Sundarbans. The Sundarbans is situated in West Bengal. West Bengal. Okay. Students, you have to write down here. In this chapter, we studied about national parks, right? We studied about national park. Which national park is located where? In which state?